Mariam Usi is a Tanzanian representative of the East African Legislative Assembly, hailing from Zanzibar. She is a Muslim by religion. She says her parents wanted her to get married early, but she defied the practice.
But when I reached Form 4, I had a suitor who wanted to marry me. As a Muslim family, my father agreed for me to be married with one condition. He gives a condition to the suitors that if the result comes out and she failed, then you can marry her.
Such practices thus seem to discriminate women and girls, denying them education are some of the problems that regional lawmakers are seeking to protect the marginalized communities in the region.
I married when I was a first year at the university. I graduated with 3 children and a husband and a degree. So there is no point of getting intimidated.
Passed into law upon the death of a spouse, the widow or widower automatically becomes the guardian and custodian of children.
It is a fundamental principle of the community that partner states include respect and promote the issue of gender equality.
The law also suggests that a widow or widower will continue to live in a matrimonial house after the death of a spouse.
That is the situation in Rwanda, and that is the situation we think should apply across East Africa.
Views from Uganda are that the right of a matrimonial home should not only be limited to living in a house, but own a house and property.
We do not have a right to legislate in that area, and accordingly I think we shall advise that Article 17 be expanded for want of legislating beyond our right to do so.
The discrimination of women in Uganda after the death of their husbands has been part of the rampant domestic violence against women and children. The law provides that a widow or widower has the right to inherit property in a joint estate. One may also remarry a person of his or her choice. However, the MPs rejected provision in the Gender Equality and Development Bill that sought to suggest same-sex marriage and incest.
Anybody, any consenting adult above the age of 18 could do anything he requires. Anything, virtually anything. Now that virtually anything included maybe possibly a father having a relationship with his daughter, a mother having a relationship with her son, or brother, sister having some kind of those sexual relationships or something. We found that was very moral.
The lawmakers from Kenya and Tanzania have also rejected provisions that are not in consonant with the constitution of the partner states and the religious beliefs, especially the Muslim community.
To amend partner state constitution, it can't be done, even if you tried.
The bill is expected to be passed on Women's Day tomorrow as a gift to women in the East African community. Jingo Francis, NTV, in Kigali, Rwanda.